Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your Surface supports the Surface Pen and that the pen has fresh batteries or is charged. This matters because low power prevents pairing. Once done, open Settings and go to Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Place the pen within 1 meter of the Surface, then press and hold the top button for 5 to 7 seconds to force the pen into pairing mode. This starts the device discovery sequence so the Surface can find the pen. Next, you complete the pairing inside Windows. In Bluetooth and Devices, select Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and watch the available devices list. Select Surface Pen when it appears. Make sure you accept any on-screen prompts or PIN requests. Windows sometimes asks to confirm. Once Windows shows the connected notification, test input immediately. Open an app like Sticky Notes or Whiteboard and press the pen tip to draw or write. If it responds, pairing succeeded. If not, make sure the pen stayed in pairing mode the whole time. To finish, open pen settings in Windows to assign button actions or calibrate pressure sensitivity. This ensures the pen behaves as you expect. If pairing failed, first replace the battery or recharge the pen, then toggle Bluetooth off and on and repeat the press and hold pairing step. Small power or discovery glitches often fix this way. As a final fix, remove any existing Surface Pen entry from Bluetooth, restart your Surface, and add the device again. This sequence resolves most pairing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.